Modern home partitions are a smart way to divide spaces without building permanent walls. They create separate zones while keeping your home open and airy, so you can see the flow of the room while still having distinct areas. Partitions improve both function and style, making a space feel organized and intentional. They're perfect for apartments, studios, or large homes where open plans sometimes feel too empty. Today, we'll explore ideas that suit every space, from living rooms to home offices and even bedrooms. Homes are becoming more flexible and multifunctional than ever. Partitions allow rooms to serve multiple purposes without adding clutter or heavy construction. They maintain natural light and airflow, keeping your space bright and welcoming. By dividing areas intelligently, you can create a quiet workspace in a busy living room or a cozy reading corner near the kitchen. Modern designs blend style and practicality, making your home feel both beautiful and efficient. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our home decor channel for more inspiration. Sharing this video with friends who love stylish interiors will help them see new ideas too. We bring you creative and easy-to-implement partition solutions suitable for all types of homes. Stay tuned for tips on materials, layouts, and multifunctional designs that will enhance both style and comfort. Now, let's explore these modern and practical partition designs. Partitions help with smart space management, allowing you to divide large or open areas efficiently. For example, a living room can be separated from a dining area using a half-height wooden partition or a decorative screen. Each section becomes more organized and functional, giving each area a clear purpose. Rooms stay open and connected visually, so the space doesn't feel cramped. This method works especially well in small apartments or studio flats, where every square foot counts. Privacy is another key advantage of partitions. They can separate work areas, study zones, or quiet corners for reading or meditation. This reduces distractions and allows family members to focus on their tasks. Everyone in the home benefits from dedicated spaces without the need for full walls. Partitions make daily routines smoother and more comfortable, improving both productivity and relaxation. Flexibility is a major benefit of modern partitions. Many designs can be moved or adjusted easily, such as sliding panels, folding screens, or modular shelving units. Homeowners can change layouts whenever necessary to suit guests, seasonal changes, or work-from-home needs. Flexible partitions adapt to different activities and lifestyles, providing both convenience and style. They are perfect for dynamic living spaces that need occasional reconfiguration. Partitions also enhance home decor and overall aesthetics. They are available in materials like wood, glass, metal, or fabric, each creating a distinct look. For instance, frosted glass partitions can give a modern minimalist feel, while wooden lattice screens add warmth and texture. Partitions can match your interior theme, complementing furniture and wall colors. Well-designed pieces double as decorative elements, turning functional dividers into statement features. Lighting and airflow are crucial considerations when using partitions. Modern designs often allow natural light and fresh air to flow through, keeping rooms bright and ventilated. Open or slatted partitions let sunlight reach all corners, preventing spaces from feeling dark or closed in. This maintains a fresh and welcoming environment, improving comfort for daily activities. Thoughtful placement of partitions can even highlight decorative lighting or plants. Cost is another reason why partitions are popular. They are generally cheaper than constructing permanent walls and require less time to install. Budget-friendly options still provide excellent functionality and aesthetic appeal. There are many designs for different tastes, from sleek minimalist panels to ornate room dividers. Partitions offer great value by combining cost-effectiveness with stylish home improvement. Partitions can serve multiple purposes at once. Some designs include built-in shelves, storage compartments, or display areas for decor items. This saves space while adding both convenience and style. Multifunctional designs are ideal for modern homes where every inch counts. They help keep rooms organized, reduce clutter, and create focal points for decorative accents. And modern partitions suit every type of home, from small apartments to large houses. Their versatility allows them to adapt to different functions and lifestyles, from separating work zones to creating a cozy reading nook. They are easy to customize according to room size, color palette, and furniture style. Partitions support different activities while maintaining an open, airy feel. This makes them a smart and stylish solution for any space. Modern home partitions offer a simple yet highly effective way to improve space, organization, and style. They provide better functionality, privacy, and flexibility in any home layout. With countless materials, designs, and configurations available, partitions can suit every taste and budget. They also enhance natural lighting, airflow, and decor, making spaces feel more inviting. Choosing the right partition can completely transform your home, combining practicality with aesthetic appeal.